Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. The pandemic has forced many teachers to learn more about online teaching, learning and schooling, full stop. I am one of them, full stop. And though all of us are still learning and the field is still evolving quite rapidly, it is opening up new ways of thinking about learning and teaching for many of us, full stop, new paragraph. Online teaching has many challenges, full stop. Unequal access to devices and to the internet, summarized under the notion of the digital divide, has already been talked about a lot, full stop. I am not going to focus on that here, other than to say that if not addressed, the digital divide will increase already significant educational inequalities, and so these problems need to be tackled on an urgent basis, full stop, new paragraph. The problem identified here is that Karachi is a city governed by as many as 6 different bodies with different chains of reporting and different connections to higher tiers of government, full stop. Local governments with somewhat direct citizen accountability are disempowered. Many key regulatory and developmental functions rest with the provincial government, which has at best an indirect relationship with city voters, while others are simply unaccountable bodies reporting to federal institutions such as the military, full stop, new paragraph. The problem, as critical geographers and urbanists will proffer, is that separate and distinct mandates do not change the underlying ecological reality of a given space being completely interconnected, full stop. In other words, it doesn't matter if the military administers Defense Housing Authority and Sin government looks after fight, their fates are intervened simply on the basis of a shared geography, full stop, new paragraph. Another part of it is linked to the undocumented nature of the economy, full stop. Chances are that most of those who are well known and wealthy have riches they cannot explain because of the manner in which businesses and people in Pakistan operate. Figures are fudged and income tax evaded, full stop, new paragraph. And the second issue here is of the breakdown of our institutions, full stop. Be it the FBR or investigative agencies such as the FIA, which should be looking into these matters and determining the facts, none of them is capable of doing this, full stop. The organizations are so compromised that their inquiries and decisions lead to no closure, full stop, new paragraph. Stability is the key word today, full stop. Important decision makers firmly believe that any political turbulence that leads to chaos or uncertainty should be avoided, full stop. There appears to be a quiet consensus within the system that economic revival requires the government and the opposition to respect the duration of the 5-year term full stop